All right, looks like we're getting ready to do a road trip to San Diego from Tucson with the 3D printed intake, and we're gonna see how that goes. All right, out here putting fuel in. See how this is gonna go.
Let's work.
Let the boy drive first.
Every day I'm hustling, hustling, hustling. Hustling, hustling. Keep grinding, hustling. Hustling. Every day I'm hustling. Yeah. Every day I'm hustling.
All right, what's up? Just left Pendleton, out the one of the north gates, St. Clemens, headed into that town. Everything's working good for the intake. Car's running. I don't know. It's working. All right, just turn to Yuba. Desert.
745 white on white, that's fucking raw. Clean ride. I cut them wide, I cut them long, I cut them fat. What?
All right, made it home yesterday. Drove to work and back. Plastic intake. Still doing plastic intake stuff. I'm gonna rock it around until it breaks. Ordered up some PET glass filled. Supposed to be good for another like 30-40 degrees hotter than this. It's supposed to print better. It's supposed to have less warping and all that. And so I increased the tolerances on my stuff, made the plenum bigger. So some people mentioned the plenum needs to be larger. I don't know, we'll see. And we'll go from there.